everybody. This month is the beginning of serious barbecue season. Memorial Day comes later in May, and a lot of people have already done their barbecuing for Mother's Day. Many of my customers aren't really sure what kind of wood they want, especially when they're getting a brand new smoker and they've never really done this before. So the questions they ask are, what is going to be best with my chicken or my brisket? And that's not just a matter of opinion, but you can take a cue from people who have been doing this for a long time. If you like beef with a hearty flavor, then you're going to want to choose something that's not very light flavored. You're going to choose something like hickory or red oak. And you can see that we have chunks that are about this big in the bags, so that if you have a smaller size smoker, you'll have the right size and it will fit. But we also, as you know, have logs. You can buy full size 18 to 20 inch logs for your smoking boxes that actually can fit those, and it'll burn longer because you have fewer exposed sides. Cherry, apple, peach, they're all great on beef too, but most people prefer them for fish or chicken or pork because of that fruity flavor that those things are so good with. Some people like to mix, say, apple and pecan because you get a little bit of nutty and a little bit of sweet. So you can play with your flavors and try. Everybody has a favorite once you've tried a few things. I don't recommend mesquite for very much except beef because it's a little bitter, in my opinion. But where I come from in Arizona, people use mesquite as their flame broil. If you're going to flame grill a hamburger or a steak, there's nothing better than mesquite. It burns hot. It burns clean when you've got it going, and the flavor is amazing. So there's a lot of ways to use these woods besides just smoking. You can use them for actually flame broiling, or you can give them a good soak before you put them on the smoker, and that adds extra smoke. So you can adjust the level a lot of ways. Another thing to remember is you don't have to use charcoal for your heat. You can use oak for your heat and then other flavors for your smoke, and you'll have even more of a deep wood flavor than the charcoal with the wood. In fact, sometimes they fight each other a little bit, and I think it's better to make oak your heat and your other flavors for your smoking. So those are my grilling, barbecuing, smoking tips for the month of May. Please call us if you have any questions. Thanks.